Suspect is in a blue vehicle. License 12X448.
448 must be a rental.
Seen a guy in yellow.
He went that way.
Seen a guy in a yellow shirt?
I think he's there.
Stop! Police! In pursuit of suspect. Freeze! Suspect is in a blue vehicle. License 12X448.
448 must be a rental.
Seen a guy in yellow.
He went that way.
Seen a guy in a yellow shirt?
I think he's there.
Stop! Police! In pursuit of suspect. Freeze! You can't stop us!
Hiya! It's horrible.
What?
I saw a guy hiding over there.
Thanks. I'll take it from here. Freeze!
Resistance is futile.
Get in there.
Let's just stop this and walk off separate ways.
Officer, there's a weird guy down there. You might want to check him out.
I'm on it. you up to? Son of a bitch. Dispatch, I have a bomb here. I repeat, I have a bomb.
Stand by. Don't touch it. Wait for the bomb squad. Wait for the bomb squad.
What? No time, dispatch. This thing's gonna go off.
That's a direct order.
Yeah, well, it's a stupid order.
What's your position? The bomb squad can't find you.
I'm running it into the bay.
What? Are you crazy?
This thing might blow up half the neighborhood.
Officer Shen, where are you?
Almost there. Almost there. Dispatch, this is Shen.
Where's the car?
At the bottom of the ocean.
You better get back to HQ immediately.
Negative, dispatch. I need to follow up. You have an address on that license plate?
Who ever heard of a plate with 2 4s in it?
You got an address?
Stand by. It's 322 Sa Ching Road, but the boss won't be happy.
When are they ever? Hong Kong police!
食咗人唔好揸車啦！你老母冇教你行路㗎！
灼煮食，當你想食嘢嘅時候，冇嘢好得過嚟 Big Taste 火鍋打邊爐，嘆下我哋嘅蒙古火鍋，為你嘅生活添上熱辣辣嘅感覺。灼煮食 ，Big Taste 火鍋，熱辣辣。
What is this place? What is this shit? This just gets weirder and weirder. These guys are fucking crazy.
It's that cop! The fucker that followed Wu! Get him!
Holy shit.